Welcome again to the world of etiquette. I welcome you. I hope you enjoyed the other part on etiquette. Etiquette is a very, very powerful way to empower you, to give you knowledge on how to conduct yourself. Now, in this today, I would like to also say, learn to say thank you for all gestures, big or small. Learn to say I'm thankful. Thank you very much. I appreciate what you have done. It doesn't matter how small or big. You don't say thank you for bigger gestures. Even for small gestures, learn to say thank you. You should also learn to hold doors for others when you come. It's a simple courtesy. Please train yourself. Hold the door for others. Don't bang the door. Or when somebody is behind you, please hold the door for the person to get out. Learn to respect boundaries. Even when you are in a queuing, please don't be so close to the person. Some people feel uncomfortable when you are almost clinging to the person. Almost clinging to the person. People feel very uncomfortable and they will not like that. So please always respect not only the physical boundaries but also the emotional boundaries. Respect them. Respect those boundaries. It's very important to respect the both emotional and personal boundaries. Please, when people are talking, don't just get in between and just stand in between the two people and these people are conversing and then you start contributing. It is bad manners. Please learn to respect boundaries. It is also important, don't judge others for things you have not understood. Don't make judgment about people when you have not understood, when you have not known exactly the details about people, what people are talking about. Don't propagate gossip when you think it is real thing, you think it is something true. Don't judge others for things you don't understand. And finally, please speak politely even when you disagree. Even when you disagree, please speak politely. Don't lose your temper. Don't become emotional. Don't create scenes. Don't become a drama king or drama queen in the social arena simply because your ego is affected. Learn to speak politely even when you don't agree with the person. Thank you very much. It's Mutiaru Kwaru, your family therapist and a relationship coach. Thank you. Have a great day.